Hello everyone, welcome to StockSharp channel. In this video, there is a new feature called Analytics. But first, a few words about Hydra again. First of all, you can watch other videos on our YouTube channel where you can understand how Hydra works and what Hydra can be used for. In a few words, it's a downloading tool from various sources and markets like Forex, crypto, or stock markets. This tool can be used, for example, for viewing market data that we downloaded and provide some very basic analytics using technical indicators. For example, we can create our own candles with different time frames and other parameters like volume range and so on. But if you need to use more extended, more professional analysis, Hydra provides a special feature called Analytics. Have you started using this new feature? We have some templates that we can use, and each template contains a unique codes. Let's start with intraday volume. This analysis code calculates the distribution of the biggest volume by hours. This code uses C# language, which is not just a regular scripting language but a fully normal professional programming language. C# allows you to use all mathematical and quantum analysis libraries downloaded from the internet. Let's see how it looks in action. From the middle side, we can see our quarter where we can use some calculations. This code uses parameters from the right side. For example, as we can see in the first line, we get the first security, so this code works with a single instrument. For instance, we can choose the 1-year Euro USD or any other. We can also specify starting and ending ranges for this code. Now, let's see how it looks in action. We can press start and read the table where we can see the volume of the most significant candles during the specified period. We can see that the highest volume range was at 2 p.m. It depends on the time zone, so in UTC, it will be different. To address this, we converted all values into UTC time. With this code, you can use some building references, and you can add special mathematical packages. Hydra already contains MathNet Numerics, which is a package that includes a lot more functions. If needed, you can use any assembly created on the .NET Core platform and attach it here. Let's continue to see how our code looks. The code starts by getting the first security, and since we only have one security, there will be only one. The next step is to access our time frame candle storage and pass our time frame and security. There's also a special parameter that Hydra can use multiple drives, not just one. You can store data in any location on your computer. The code then goes on to specify the format. Hydra supports binary and CSV formats, but binary is recommended as it is the most efficient format. However, you can use CSV if performance is not crucial. The next part of the code retrieves the date range. It's essential to check if you have data for a specific period. If there's no data, the code will inform you. If there is data, the code proceeds to load the candles and group them by time of day, truncating with 1 hour. The next line creates our grid, and we specify the column names. The code then populates the grid by the specified rules. We can name the columns anything we want. Let's change the name of our column to time, since we intentionally made a mistake for demonstration purposes. Let's look at the old version. Let's look at it after the changes. As you can see, the column name has been changed. Here, we are filling in the rows in the grid. And the last line sets sort by volume. We have many other templates, including empty templates that don't contain any logic. You can put any parameters you like, but it won't affect anything. However, for convenience, we provide some example codes for your analytics. We will provide more examples and explanations about Hydra Analytics samples. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.